Hi guys, in today's video we'll be making a beautiful design turban cap. So guys, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, click on the bell icon to be notified anytime I upload a new video. So for the fabric, I'm using Scuba. This is Scuba fabric, gold color, and I'm using baby. This will be the rings. I'm having a ring here to have a ring design. So this will be used to cover the ring, and a bias as well to tape the wire, the iron. I'll use it to tape it round, and a sequence fabric as well. This is optional. If you want, you can make it plain. If you want, you can as well add a sequence fabric on it. So guys, let's get to the cutting stage. Now for the base of the cap, I have here 14 inches. Okay, for the width of the cap. Now the length, I'll use 24 inches. So I'll go ahead and cut it out. Now for the band, I'll cut 13 inches. Then the width is 2 1/4. 2 1/4 unfold. That is, if you open it up, it's 4.4 inches. So this is 2 1/4 unfold. I'll cut the same thing again. Now this is the base of the cap, while this is the band. So the next thing I'll be cutting will be the sequence design on the cap. So I'll be cutting exactly the length of this cap, which is 24 inches. Because it's stretchy, you can as well reduce it. Because the sequence is stretchy, you can reduce it maybe to 23. For the width, I'm using 2 3/4. Okay, so I've cut out 4 pieces of it. Now this is the base of the cap. I'll go ahead and place it like so. Now for the distance of each, I will use distancing it with 1.5 inch. This is 1.5 for each of them. 1.5, 1.5. So after placing it like so, now to go to my sewing machine, I'll first of all top stitch on the sequence, both this side and each of them, the 2 sides. Okay, and I'll sew a running stitch, just 1 line stitch at the middle, straight stitch at the middle as well. Each of them, I'll just top stitch at the edge, the 2 edges, then at the middle, the 2 edges and at the middle. So when I'm done, the next thing I'll do is to fold it like so. At that middle where I top stitch, I'll just plaint. I'll be plating it with just 1/4 of an inch like so. Just 1/4 like this. I'll plaint. I'll open it up at the edge here. You can see at the edge here, which I've already top stitched. That is after top stitching. I'll fold it again like so with 1/4 of an inch top stitch. Okay, that is how I will do it. Then as well, The same thing, I will then come to the other one at the edge, fold it again, top stitch with quarter of an inch. That's how I will do until I plait. That is how to plait on this. Okay, you can see how I placed it. Remember, I reduced it by 1 inch because of the stretching nature. You can see, even while sewing it, don't allow it to stretch more than this. Okay, make sure you use your pin. You can use your pin to hold it. It did not stretch more than this so that it will not be too slim, because while it stretches, the body gets tinier. Okay, you see, so just make sure. So that's how I'll go now and sew through on the two sides, run a stretch stitch, then plait on it. After which I'll show you the next thing to do. After it, the next thing is the normal V band shape that we normally do. So just place it like so. Mostly this V-shaped band normally give fitting. That's why people mostly prefer this V shape. The fitting is very good. It gives very nice fitting on any turban. Other designs are okay. We have crisscross and all that. It's very nice, but I'm using this. Okay, just go ahead and close it up like so. Just curve it. Just make a curve. Don't make it, because we close it like this, we'll be having four shape, that is square shape. I don't want it square, so just cross, just curve it, then leave this open. Then after, when I might have been done with the base of the cap, just fold it into two, notch the center of the base of the cap, then join it together. So I'll go now and work on the base of the cap and join this together, after which I will show you the next step to take. Now the first thing is to top stitch on the sequence before the plait. I'll go ahead and top stitch. So I'll top stitch the other edge. Then the next thing will be the middle. Now I will top stitch again. I'll pick the second one. So I'm using 1/1/4, not 1.5 again. Previously I said 1.5, but I'm using 1/1/4 as the distance between the two sequence design. Okay, I will go ahead and top stitch. Then I'll as well top stitch the second edge of the sequence. I'll as well go ahead and top stitch at the middle. Now I'll pick the third one. still use 1/4 as the distance. So I'll do this repeatedly until I fix the last one. So this is the last one, and I'm also doing the same thing, measuring 1/4. Now after top stitching on the sequence, the next thing I'll do is to start printing. So each of them I'll fold it like so, and so just 1/4 of an inch. I'll make sure I pick from the seam line. You can see the seam line here. I'll fold it like so. So you can see how it looks. You can see the printed side. So I'll go ahead and pleat the remaining. You can see. I'll make sure I follow the lines here, the seam line. After which I'll pick the band. So you place it from the right side. Just place it like so. Then close it up, trim off this. Now I've printed the cap. You can see after top stitching within sequence, I went ahead to print it at the down part So the next thing I'll do, this is the band. I've already joined it. I'll fold it into two. I'll go ahead and notch the middle of the cap, that's the midpoint. The same thing to the notch the band and notch the cap, the middle of each of them. Then I'll place it together, notch part together, use my pin to secure it. Then I'll go ahead and join it together. After joining it, the next thing I'll do, so this is the middle. I'll go ahead and use my chalk to mark it. So after joining it, I have to I'll just have to just pick all the planes from the needle with my needle and thread and run it straight. Now I've already marked the line, that is the midpoint of the cap. So I'll use my needle and thread and follow the line, just make a gather with that plane. Now I will run it 3 times. I'll go ahead and secure it. I'll go ahead and secure it. I'll go ahead and fold it into 2. And I'll mark 10.5 inches from the band. After closing it up, then I'll use my needle and thread and make a running stitch to gather the rough edges, that is the excess side, not directly to the seam line. So guys, after making it, this is how it looks. You can see. So guys, I hope this video is helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, click on the bell icon to be notified anytime I upload a new video. Give it a thumbs up, share to your friends, keep watching for more design, and bye until I see my next video.